Greetings everyone! Today I'm going to present the Pixie 2. Pixie 2 intends to be your digital desk companion with personality and useful features. It reacts to gestures, sends commands to your computer, plays sounds, and is totally hackable. To send commands, just turn on the caps lock and make a gesture in front of it. Link one of your gestures to a keyboard shortcut and you can mute your microphone in a call or turn your webcam on and off. The project is quite simple. It uses a Chow RP2040 as a microcontroller. I added a microphone to eventually enable voice commands in the future, the classic APDS9960 as a gesture sensor, and an 8x8 LED matrix driven by the MAX7219. The PCB isn't ready yet, but I already have an idea of how it will look. The display, gesture sensor, and microphone will be on the front side, while the other components, such as the microcontroller, will be in the back. To wrap up, you might be wondering, what all those holes on the PCB are for? Well, I exported the PCB to Tinkercad to show you. My idea is to make Pixie fully customizable. You'll be able to 3D print elements like hats, hair, and accessories to give it a unique look. Once assembled, Pixie will look like this, ready to help you and keep you company. Thanks for watching the video.